Yeah, great. Been long. 5 minutes video. August 6. Seven verses. Safeda Wadlamudi. Wow, it looks so weird on light fallen. Wow. And this is the 360 video. Great forest there, and that's Tenali side. And the opposite of it is Wadlamudi. And so weird, man. And there's the cycle, my watch and stuff. There's me no power bank cause somehow rare times my power bank actually my phone fully charged. Now it's at some percent. This is me. In few weeks, this month, in this last week, in this month last week, there will be a pump out to Chennai Sri Ram College of Engineering, CSC, AIML, hostel 4 years near Chennai metropolitan area. Great everything, and this is a 360 video. This is that, and anything else, man? A quarter less than 4 minutes video would be great, so I'm going to do 5 minutes cause it's better than a quarter less 4 minutes. And what else? So much stuff happened since the last time. I will state that Chinravuru railway station thing, and it's great, man. Again, little embarrassing, little, but not much. And also, what else happening, man? Thinking I should probably talk till like 2.5 or 3 minutes, and so much happened. Last time I did only 5 minutes is because I have to spend the rest of the time at Chinravuru railway station by making calls with college. That's Awadi college, and they said they don't have CSCAML, so next best thing from Awadi is Veppam because that's bigger than the whole Pattabhiram or Nemilcherry or Thiru something, but yeah, great. And fees is really cheap, and I don't know how far the Chandra metropolitan area goes, but great. Yes, suburban trains, man. Because come on, suburban trains are meant to be for local travel. They just return when the end of metropolitan area is over. But for normal trains, they go through local stations, but they don't just stop and come back to Chennai there. And they go to other half of Chennai like Coimbatore, Tiruvanchali, Tirupur, Madurai, Salem, all those places. Okay, really quiet there. And also it's all great, mostly Veppam low fees, and hostel too. College is a low fees, and hostel max up perfectly, and no weekly or weekly twice things, probably not monthly. Definitely there is monthly once allowances, but not consistent weekly once thing. And I would be asking too much if I asked all that at a monthly once anyway, because there will be delays. Actually I can ask all 3 weeks worth along with the monthly allowance, but not consistent boost that will give me, because no outing at all. Yeah, cause they have the upper hand. I'm not even affording my side of the part, like apartment, no apartment, no part-time job, no anything, so I don't have many perks. Plus yeah, I don't have many perks. I have to do that. And also main thing is, in hostel there will be great food, so no daily 3 eggs or weekly chicken cause money too much. And Chennai, man, near Chennai, definitely cause metropolitan area, they definitely have great balanced diet daily, so Sunday is not worth. So I will still think about what I do monthly once though. Probably, definitely there got to be monthly once outing, definitely, because it's only monthly once. And also I need to find my ways. As usual, I hit a wall because a hostel for 4 years, but I am growing. I will be continue my growing since college starts, and life is more than science. So, yeah, definitely, I will see more with more knowledge, more vision. So, and also this college thing, I don't even care much. Even job for like 3 years, a full-time job, and then afford my own college in Mumbai or like even America. Probably not America. Probably yes, America, because 12th grade is big deal with life knowledge combined. So yeah, great 18 plus life, great near Chennai life. It will be, though it's closed walls. The surroundings will be great. The people, the surroundings, the services like Tamil Nadu services, Tamil Nadu college services, events, great. And also near Chennai, so some parks like that, exactly like events, some events again, not trips. Trips will be there, but yeah, fun, great food, and that's all. Man, I thought I'm talking for like 3 minutes, but that's all it is, huh? All this little zoom. Okay, wow. I do got used to 30 minutes videos. That's Tanal side. That's Vadlamodi. Still weird. That's Vadlamodi. Over that will be Nara Koduru, and then Nara Koduru is the big thing, not Vadlamodi. But Vadlamodi is still better than Nandavelugu, probably. The point, and that's all, man. Great. Seeing Dark Light, kept on going Dark Light. Some weird thing there is, probably some big building. Man, the quality. Anyway, I got my tab back too. Great, cause not much money to replace one or a laptop, but yeah, overseeing Dark Line, kept on growing, small well, and going to learn Tamil too again, not again, but yeah, going to learn Tamil. So not twice a day vlogs, because it's only Tamil, man, not even Chinese. So yeah, half a day, and great, more than 2 weeks there, because it's like end of first week, as it's August 6th. Great, 2 weeks, and somewhere in fourth week there will be college. Definitely in fourth week, they said so. All great, and definitely daily vlogs, because no outing, man, awful, but yeah, I find my ways, and more than that, definitely growing. So yeah, great. And not revision anymore times like that, like I didn't say, yeah, I just calibrated my watch, so it's exactly 7:50, 7:51, and August 6th. Great, 8 minutes stop. Great, everything. Great.